Hey guys, my name is Lasizwe.
Hello, boy.
And I'm Longster.
And welcome to Spot the Zulu. So this is how the game works. It is my
wait.
job and Lungile's job to spot the Zulu.
Yo, wait.
If we think they are Zulu, they go in the green box. But if we think they are not Zulu, they go in the red box. Who do you think is going to find the Zulu between me and now?
Obvious, I'm Zulu, you're
I'm
not.
also Zulu. Lungile, Zulu.
When are you white Zulu?
I'm a proper Zulu. Like, I'm a Zulu, a yellow pole.
Hey,
What the hell?
Nyakutshela.
Shut up, ukuyidakdindi.
You know what? Let's get the game started. Do you want to rock, paper, scissors it?
Yeah.
So whoever wins goes first. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh! Who goes?
I go first.
Hi.
Hello, Makoti.
Yes.
Kunja.
I'm good, thanks. And how are you?
I'm good. So, quick question. If I were to take you ngisekhaya eBigville, what would you bring with you? What attire? What would you take with you?
Okay, I would take a pinifa and a duke.
Green mntanami.
Ipinifa, the way she said it.
Sengikuzwile mama.
Ipinifa.
Sengikuzwile.
Good afternoon.
Red, my brother.
Good afternoon.
Red. Awunsizwa ngakithi?
Ngiyaphila.
Hey, right kodwa?
Ngiyaphila.
Awugiya ngibona, awugiya mfowethu. Mina mangibona ezinye insizwa ngiyagiya mfowethu. Ngiyagiya mfowethu.
Ke wena?
Awu madoda.
Aw, unditshele lo.
Hayi green inkalakatha. Green inkalakatha. So far 10 out of 10.
Dumelang.
Akusumzulu.
Okay.
Thing when
Hayi ngiyaphila mntanami man. So tell me, if I were to say to you ngilimelela, what would this be? Kuwe.
Limala.
Yini le ngilimelele?
Dololwane. Come on, man.
Indololwane.
Aye, she's not Zulu.
Somehow unob off man koninte no ma konte off kona uza kahle and then awulilizelele nguzo
Not Zulu, bro.
red
Not Zulu. He even made sure, guys.
red
Sabona.
sayishake nokuyishake kancane ngibone something ukuthi hayi
Ngiyatholisa.
awu mntana mawa nginethemba yeah so isibongo thobani
Ngubhele.
ubhele manje umuthi ekhaya wena uhamba ngani
Hamba taxi.
ikhona taxi kini
Yebo ikhona.
green
Yeah.
green
Yeah.
sengiyazi umalume wakho ukuthi unsizwa ngakithi
So, lapho
unjani wakithi
ngiyaphila njani?
hey ngiyaphila wakithi ngabe yami yazi ufuzile ungangidisappoint mfowethu
Hawu kulele.
ayike insizwa ngeke ngibone mfowethu ukuthi mayishaya kanjani mfowethu hayi mfana wami ngikubone nje usehla mfana hayi we green ungalinga ungidisappoint mfana maba ngathi uyipedi ngilimele sishoda ngawe kwaZulu mfana
Phelela mafana.
hayi definitely full marks hey okay ha unkalili ilipedi okay
Angikompeli mina.
awukampedi so njengoba
Not Zulu.
amantombazane yenza 21 yini lento ibizwani lento le where there's a ceremony kumele siyenze
Umemulo.
But she said uncompelled, which is broken
uzothola
Zulu.
umemulo wena
Yebo.
uzothola
Yebo ngizothola.
abakadouble up
Hayi lutho.
No, red box.
green
Hayi, guys.
ngithi igcwelile izulela
Uthe uncompelled.
hello mama ngiyaphila njani mama
Ngiyaphila.
upho baba
Ukhona endlini.
udleni izolo ubaba
Angazi besemsebenzini.
wena
She's not
usemsebenzini
Zulu.
hayi red
She's not Zulu.
akekho umzulu intombazane yomzulu esebenzayo ebusuku hayi
Khona.
wena mana
Awusayithathi.
ne hayi
It's not Zulu, bro. Aye.
Straight.
wena umuzulu
Uyawutshela.
Zulu like on some different level. Like Mzulu Park.
What's the part?
alright manje isiphaxo sahawu sifuna sibe nani
Siphahlo sakhe.
Yeah.
Siphahlo sakhe asifanele shini.
Red. Ngeke umZulu owazi isiphahlo. umZulu wazi kodwa.
Akwaziwa la? Ya nam ngiyabona bhuti, nam ngiyabona.
Kunjani mfethu?
Era konje.
Is there not going on here?
Uyathetha or uyakhuluma?
Ngiyakhuluma.
Angikuzwanga?
Ngiyakhuluma.
Akakhulumi.
Uyakhuluma. Awutang uthi ndiyakhuluma or ngiyakhuluma?
Ngiyakhuluma.
Oh, uyakhuluma.
Kusumzulu.
Wena ungapha ka Red ngathi uyixhosa namanga. Yakudala lento le. Oh.
So, Lungi, we finally come to the end. What do you think you got?
10 out of 10.
Would you like to make any last changes before we lock
I'm
this
also
one
confident in this one. I'm also confident, yo.
Wena mfowethu, wena ngeduleke.
Awumzulu uyayifaka bhuti. Uyayifaka umzulu.
Man mfowethu man.
Yini amazulu ayaqoqa.
Yini lento egcokile?
Duleke. Njengokusho.
His Zulu you can
Konte
pronounce.
off man. Konte off. Kodwa ngicela ngifuna ukuhlala entweni zami. Konje number 1 angithi. So number 1 December bukuphi?
Emakhaya.
So benenzani nje emakhaya? Lo December.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Besipheka emlilweni.
Ngathi awukho mnandi mntanami. No mntanami awuze ngapha.
Ngiyamuzwa.
Nje kancane.
Sipheke emlilweni.
Kancane nje. Kabe yami uyabona mongaba yipeti. Soxabana straight, soxabana really. If you are not Zulu, hambe kumama akhe yokutshela iqiniso, uzothola something. Wena ula, wena ungalingisuke la, wena don't, wena la. Lock wena, hayi wena sishane ngidi wena. Wena mntanami buyele ekhaya mntanami buyele ekhaya sengikuzwile mntanami ukuthi hayi buyele ekhaya mntanami buyele ekhaya ngiyaxolisa yezo mabhebi ngiyaxolisa wena ngiyaxolisa Dulek
Awudula ku right
out hayi yellow ball hayi ushaka umnyama ushaka bokuyidakdindi ushaka hayi ngizodliswa uwe mina hayi ngizodliswa uwe
I think it's fine, guys. I think it's fine. What do you guys say? The line's looking good right now.
Hey wena lipeti wena Julius wena Julius Malema wena man khona lento manithi wathi ungona sisi man mntanami angithengisa ngawo mabhekazi madadi hayi hambi emashanganeni yeah I lock
Hey.
Sawubona.
Ngiyaphinda.
Hi. Wait, you're not Zulu.
I am Zulu.
Are you Zulu?
I am Zulu.
Like Zulu.
Zulu.
Like both mom and dad is Zulu.
Very Zulu.
She's lying, guys.
No, man.
I
She's
swear.
lying.
You were no man. From where's your hometown? Where you from?
Mtuba. Yes.
Was King Shaka the first Zulu king?
Yes.
Ah.
Yes.
Aye.
Oh, actually, Senza Ngakona was the first king.
Oh, but you do actually green box. I think it's him. Do you say Ngube or Ngcubi?
Yeah.
Okay, next person. Wena. You're not a Zulu. Wena. Hi. You're not a Zulu. Umzulu.
Solani shabalala magwaza. Nje.
Aye.
Red box.
Aye. Uzamile
Is
guys.
a red box. Please.
Uzamile guys.
Next
Uzamile.
person.
Hello, how are you?
Uzamile.
Good and you.
I'm okay, thank you.
Bani igama lakho?
Uqonde tsheni?
Hey man.
Isibongo?
Wakakhuma
Awu khuma shona le.
Ithakazelo?
Shandu kanti.
Red box.
Guys, you almost had us.
Next.
Almost had us. I was believing it.
Day.
How are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good.
Nkosi
Are you like
wami, man.
Zulu or half Zulu?
Zulu.
Zulu.
Full force.
So, what's your mom's maiden surname?
Gumede.
And your dad?
Mhlanga.
Wagepi.
Lady Smith.
Lady Smith.
I think she's good.
Usayisona.
She even said it in Zulu. Usayisona. She said it
Ah,
good, man.
wena? Ay, Umutsulu wena? Ay. Umutsulu ne?
Umzulu.
Unamanga. Wakhona ubua?
Lutho. Hey, phela lezo nkulumo lezo ayingeke. Siyaluma la emlumeni.
Ay. Ay. Ooh, okay. Kamu bani?
Simpiwe.
Usimpiwe.
That's a Zulu name.
Isibongo?
Dlamini.
Bani?
Dlamini.
Dlamini. Iy'thakazelo zithini?
Hayi. Anazibambe ekhaya.
Yo. Anjalo nje. Go on.
That's right.
Go on kanje.
That's right. Matsulu.
So,
Yebo. Ngiyaphila unjani? Ya. Ya Owagephi in like KZN. Where in KZN?
Tamarisburg.
We're in Pietermaritzburg.
And Hammersdale.
Hammansdale. Is that not in Joburg?
No.
Hey Siri, where's Hammansdale?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi. Okay. Green box.
Nah. It's not looking good.
Ooh. Yo.
You guys think you made a good
this is so
choice?
hard. My
It's not
gosh.
looking good here.
No.
Yebo. Ngiyaphila njani? So ukhuluma kanjalo like njalo like every day.
Yeah.
Namanga wena.
Jen.
So ekhaya kephi?
Bro, she looks like a
Next
Shangani.
door
I
to
can't
Mlazi
lie.
ngiyakhumbula. Inquthu, it's next door to Mlazi.
She doesn't look Zulu, bro.
How are you? I'm fine. Are you a Zulu? Namanga wena. Igama bani?
Manza.
Umandla wakabani?
Awa.
Oh, you're definitely Zulu. Ah, did you see that? Ah, he said upper hips. Listen, it's the New Zealand. Yeah, sawubona.
Bona la sethu.
Unjani?
Yaphilo njani?
Ngiyaphila. Are you Zulu?
Ufuna unjani?
Ngapha. I know my Zulus. Like, you could feel it. You could feel, I was like, oh, okay. Okay.
So, are you happy with your selection, or would you like to make any last changes before we lock it in?
I think it's good, yo. What do you think?
I feel like
I think it's good.
there's more Zulus, but like,
Uturek Zulu, guys.
you're definitely not Zulu. Okay.
Uturek Zulu.
I think,
Let's get you Turek.
okay. I feel, wait, let me trust my gut, wait. Okay, wait, let me check this side. When I'm going to Mutswana, Mosotho.
Because I can't speak Tswana. Understand?
What's that? No. When I am never wrong, actually. I swap in. I'm gonna swap. My gut says swap you for you.
Yo.
I think also now.
The one in black is Zulu,
Come this
guys.
side.
Okay, Jane.
Babula bela. Labula. Wena? Oh no, mga wena. Buya ngapha.
Buyela.
Buya. Where's
Buyela.
sithandwa sami? Eh? Ukhulile. Wena inkuthu. Chomiki isinkuthu. Ki ing. Wena.
Mele bakhipha lo gold
Nkuthu.
green lapha.
Yeah? Nukwenzani? Okay, no, I'm happy. I'm happy with my short. No, I think I'm happy. Are we sure?
All right, Lesizwe, let's lock this one in, and I can confirm that your score is.
Are you ready to hear that you've lost?
Hey man.
Like
Ulasizwe uziwe.
Yimi ngempela
Lasizwe lost.
Zulu.
There's no way. There's no way. They know ukuthi
Hey man.
Guys,
Comment down below, who do you
between
think
the
is
two,
winning right
like,
now?
Lisho. You know what? Could we hear the results?
yebo.
Ngilithathe ndoda.
So, I can confirm, as mentioned, we only have 3 Zulus. Lungi,
Thank you. I'd like to say thank you to my mom, my father.
No, you need to hear the score.
so Lungi, you got 0 correct.
0.
And then Lesizwe, you got 2 correct.
Irojiwe le nto.
Lalela.
No, irojiwe.
I told you.
Irojiwe.
I told you.
Boy, what's the kid?
The guy at the back is Zulu. None of them are Zulu.
Let them get into their box. Can we?
So don't turn around yet. Contestants, may you please get into your correct boxes.
So I will get to watch which this thing was not rigged, dang it.
Yeah, no, this was not rigged. In 3,
Chill,
2,
no, okay.
1, turn around.
Oh.
How direct.
Umzulu. And there you have it. I won. Let's continue the conversation in the comments.
To my Zulu brothers, I'm sorry.
Awuyisephuli. Ungaze ngiqheme. Awusazi
I
kanjani?
am your winner.
Awusazi kanjani?
Let me know what you think of this video, what you think of the episode, and I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
And click that notification bell.
Siyabonga.
And thank you to channel 4.0.
Iyobonana ke bafethu, iyobonana kwezayo. Bye bye.